Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares held steady to higher on Wednesday ahead of the Wednesday's critical Federal Open Market Committee meeting. The Federal Reserve could remove a reference to remaining patient from its minutes, which would provide an indication that the US Central Bank is ready to raise interest rates at some point this year. Typically, when the Fed eliminates such language, it signals that an interest rate hike will occur at either of its next two meetings. Following the two-day meeting this week, the FOMC will convene in June as well as at September. The Nikkei 225 ended the morning up 0.11%, while the Shanghai Composite rose 0.86%. In the currency market, the US dollar is trading in the lower 121 yen range on Wednesday, slightly lower from its levels on Tuesday. The dollar traded in a narrow range amid caution ahead of the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy statement on Wednesday. US crude oil ended lower for a fourth straight session on Tuesday, ahead of the weekly oil report and amid reports of progress in the talks between Iran and world powers over Tehran's nuclear program. Crude oil futures for April delivery, the most actively traded contract, dropped $0.42 or 1% to settle at $43.46 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange Tuesday. Economic news for Wednesday will be dominated by the Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee statement. Early in the day, we'll see a new monthly report on the UK's labour market. UK labour market report 9:30 GMT. Britain's economic trend continues to post upbeat numbers overall, although last week's surprisingly soft January update on industrial production has raised concerns that the expansion is cooling. Some analysts expect that today's claimant count will fall at a slower rate in February versus the previous month. But considering the robust momentum in the labour market of late, it would be surprising if we don't see another round of progress for this key report. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.